waiting.
You're my
Role model.
We won't stop, won't stop.
Serenity. 100%.
Stay perfect.
Attention.
Hang Sang.
Hi Andy, greetings from India.
Andy Oppa, thank you so much for starting TOP Media.
Andy Oppa, you look so young.
We hope that in the future we Indians get a chance to see you, Oppa, because you mean so much to us. You know, you're a great inspiration. You've really taught us how to be strong even in the hardest of situations. Thank you so much for that.
We also wish you all the best for your future activities from all of us. Thank you.
Paktongmin Oppa, you're my favorite Oppa.
We enjoyed watching your music videos. We are so happy that you're still with TOP Media in this long journey.
I wish to see you act in more movies, and I would really love to see you sing and dance one more time. I miss Jumper so much. You and Rocky and Oppa were so good together. But anyway, I really hope you can become a solo artist one day. I'll be waiting for that.
And I hope we will stick together in future. And we are going to support you in future too.
Take care of yourself, stay safe, and I'll be waiting to see more of your photos in Instagram. Bye-bye.
Hi Teen Top.
Teen Top is my favorite group, and everyone in Teen Top, I love them, like them, I want to be with them, so I'm inspired with them. And when they cry, I'm going to cry. I've never been emotional over any movies or songs, but when I see Teen Top crying, I'll also start crying, and I don't know what happens for me. So I love everyone in the Teen Top so much.
We thank you so much for always putting a hope in our hearts to carry every day with strength. We Indian Angels will be always supporting you in everything you do. And thank you so much for performing your best once again. We'll be expecting a lot from you in the future.
Thank you so much, Teen Top, for coming to India and giving us your album. This means so much to us, and we really thank you so much, because we've always wanted to get something about Teen Top, and this is a dream come true for so many of us here in India.
Yeah, we have similar qualities, like we are night owls and playing games.
Bang DJ Oppa, you're doing an awesome job by keeping up this account for yourself and asking fans to send you their stories, because I think so many people need counseling, and so many people have so many problems which they would like someone to answer to them. Changji Oppa, the moment I saw you here in India during the fan sign event, I was like, will Changji Oppa really like me? Am I good looking enough for Changji Oppa to like me? And will he be nice to me? And I was walking in line, and then I see you.
Chunji, please don't cry.
Then you were sitting right there, and you were looking at me, and you were smiling, and that really made me happy. Thank you for being so kind to me, Oppa, when you came here. It means a lot. Thank you for smiling when you saw me, because so many of us are going through so many problems, and your smile really made my days. And thank you for this heart that you've given me. I will always keep this as a treasure.
Sanalcho, oh, start being so cute and sexy.
Ajoba, I hope to see you play the piano someday. It's been a very long time since you played the piano. Nilopa, hope you're praying and reading the Bible every day. Jesus loves you, and I know you know that. And hope you're praying for all of us angels also. We angels are praying for all of you Teen Top members as well.
Neil, you rock as always.
Nilopa, I must say the song that you've written, Liar, is amazing. I really love that song. The tune is like amazing. Apart from the tune, I love the lyrics too. It's really nice. Thank you so much for such an amazing song. We will be looking forward to more songs from you.
And Ricky, you're my cute little boy.
Ricky Oppa, I still remember the time when I saw you when you were a little boy, and there you were enjoying yourself and smiling and making everybody happy, and now you're all grown up, and you're still making us happy and you're still making us smile, but you're no longer the small baby that I met. I'm so glad I got to see you grow up and be a gentleman like you are right now. Jesus loves you, Ricky Oppa. Changjo Oppa, hope you're doing well and hope you're still working out.
Changjo, dancing machine.
And Changjo Oppa, always be active like you are. It's nice to see you active. Youngsters should be active like that, you know. So you're setting a really good example for all of us.
I wish we'll stick together for a long time and angels are with you forever.
I must really say this. The moment I saw Peck Persons at the airport here in India, I was like, oh my god, am I dreaming?
100% is the group which I fall in love with them before the debut.
That percentage, always filled with energy and making us active all the time.
When they participated in Rising Brothers along with the label mates Teen Top, I decided to follow them after the debut.
You guys are so amazing, you know. You're so chubby and so nice. To see you guys being so happy.
Rock especially he rocks as his name is, and when he had sung the Adele's Rolling in Deep, I was so impressed by his singing and I loved the song more than the original.
Every time I watch your music video, I always want to get up and do something in life.
Rocky Oppa, I love it when you take your high pitches. You're so perfect. You Dongwon Oppa, keep smiling. I like your smile so much. Sangbam Oppa, it was really nice to see you here. You're the only one in Peck Person who's very thin. Please become a little bit chubby. But still we love you so much. And I do keep track of all the dance videos that you put up. You're an amazing dancer. Hyukjun Oppa, you keep posting food pictures, so I know that you like food so much. And I hope you come to India one more time so that we can treat you with food. Changyong Oppa, you're really cute and I like that so much. Stay cute as always. Minggu Oppa, welcome back from the military. Congratulations, and you did an amazing job. You stayed strong and we fans are there for you here.
We thank you so much for all the hard work you put all these days, and we, the Indian fans, are waiting for your comeback.
So I decided to listen to all the songs and I like them very much, and I hope they will have a comeback soon this year. Indian Perfections love 100%.
Peck Person, we are still waiting to see you make a comeback and we hope that's really soon. We expect to see you dance and sing more, and please come to India one more time.
We wish you all the luck and continue your hard work and do a good job.
Uptension. Oh my god, you guys are so amazing. You know, you did an amazing job during your debut. I am so jealous of you because I am not able to dance like how you guys dance. You guys are so amazing. You're so enthusiastic.
Tension is like love at first sight. I have seen the program before the debut.
We are so happy to see you guys dancing.
It's nice to see you smiling always. You make us fans smile a lot, and we thank you for being very childish and kiddish, which makes us feel young.
And after the debut, I have seen all the songs. The choreography is so nice and the dancing like machines.
Your dance always makes us happy to watch you.
And keep working hard. We will be expecting to see Uptension here in India someday. So please keep working hard. Keep a smiling face as always and be enthusiastic. And do not forget to love your fans. Okay? We will be waiting to hear from you soon, and we really love you, Uptension. You guys are so amazing. You're like our kids.
Recently I have seen Weekly Idol which they have participated, and when they have performed to EXO's song, and it was like so damn synchronized to 100%. I was so happy to see them like that.
We thank you so much for always giving your best.
And I'm going to follow them in future too.
And we also wish you good luck with the future and would love to see more of your activities.
TOP Media staffs, thank you so much for taking care of all of our boys, and thank you so much for loving us fans so much. We love you so much. TOP Media staffs are the best. We'll always be supporting you and we'll be there by your side. And TOP Media staffs, we hope that you can look at all of us as a family now, the boys, the fans, and you guys, all of us together. We make such a lovely family. And thank you so much, for all your hard work, for all your support, and for taking care of everyone around you. I always wanted to come to TOP Media, visit that place. And TOP Media is my dream company. I always wish that I could work there. Thank you for staying kind to all of us. Thank you so much. TOP Media, sarangye!